Hello YouTube, hello my viewers, welcome to another video. I bought myself this little Parkside offer and it was only $6.99. It's the Parkside Hand Riveter Set and it came with these accessories like an assembly key, 100 blind rivets, 4 HSS drill bits, and the box was a little damaged when it arrived, but I decided not to send it back. Well, many people, or maybe everyone knows how these tools work, but I'm gonna do a little comparison with my old one. This one is like 25, 30 years old. I really don't like the box cracked. Feels very proper. So I realized when I picked it up, I took it like this, and this inner side is very sharp. It's like a knife. So watch out, you don't cut yourself here, because it's very sharp. And when you change it, this needs to be closed. Otherwise the other one won't get in. Take the spare one here, which is the correct size. Yes. Not too tight. So we're gonna use the biggest one. So then we need the biggest drill. And I measure them just like this. And now we're gonna drill some holes in the aluminum. We use the biggest adapter. Put this one in. Until it breaks. That looks very proper. And the other side. And another one from another angle. Now sometimes they just stay in there, as you can see. You can just take another one and put it in like that. And as an example, 25, 30-year-old tool. I don't know exactly. Still working. So as you can see, the old tool also works fine. I don't know what the price was back in the days. Still have all the blind rivet nuts. But yeah, it works fine. Only thing is, it's a little sharp here. You have to watch it. You can barely see it, but it's sharp here, and you will cut your finger if you pick it up the wrong way. I'm not really impressed. We all know these tools, and They exist for a very long time already. But I wanted to try it, and it was on offer, and it's always handy to have. And I'm not happy about the cracked box. But I just wanted to show you that they sell this at Lidl shop. That Parkside has one of these tools. Just showing you that they have it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, give it a like, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.